Hello and welcome back to Building on a Budget Models. Today we're going to be unboxing this brand new tooling Tamiya German Sd.Kfz.2 Kettenkraftrad mid-production in 1/35. Now this is a brand new tooling of this half-track bike used in the Second World War. As you can see here, 1/35th Military Miniature Series number 377. Highly accurate static display model, depicts mid-production round tail light base and rear seat, arm plates, opening hatch reveals engine and more. Assembly type tracks have one-piece straight sections and separate pad parts. Look on the side, same sort of details there. The same here, you can see there's alternate colour with just the dark yellow. Also a depiction there of some photo etch parts. And on this side you can see it suggests using LP 55, 56 and 57, which are also XF 88, 89 and 90. If we open it up, have a look, you can see a couple of sprues there, two more sprues there, one sprue here, small packet, instructions and background information. And then you've got the tech tips that you would normally get in a Tamiya box. Details for paints down there. Here you can see more information about the colour for the figures. The background information. So this is a nice little sheet which you don't often get in Tamiya cars. Copyright 2021 there, as you can see this is a brand new release. Also nice that it has got colour instructions for the two different settings here and for the trailer. And these are in Japanese, English, German and French. Best of both worlds. In the early 1930s were a time of increasing military development in Germany as the country rearmed. The Kettenkraftrad was comprised of a motorcycle-esque front section, trailed by a tracked bathtub chassis with fuel tanks either side of the driver and a 36 horsepower 1480cc liquid-cooled four-cylinder engine further behind in the centre of the vehicle, all squeezed into a space only a metre wide. If required, it could even run without the front wheel attached, and at the rear there was seating for two passengers in addition to a joint which could be used to attach a dedicated trailer. Interleaved wheels were employed in the torsion bar suspension, helping it ensure excellent footwork even on rough terrain. Much like larger counterparts, the tracks were fitted with needle bearings, while a special linkage applied a brake to one of the tracks when the driver turned the front wheel past 15 degrees to assist with smooth steering. So I received this kit from Jadlam Models. Link is in the description below. We'll have a look at the individual sprues here. Now on first glance these look very similar. However, they're actually slightly stuck to one another. There you can see here. Lots of small parts for the tracks. Very nice and crisp details there though. Very nice, you can see no flash whatsoever on this. Tamiya did a tooling of this previously in the 1970s, but this is brand new. These are joined together. It's supposed to remain like that. And this one has the figures, 1/35th scale. The driver here, I presume that can be separate if they wanted to just do the driver separate to the rest. Got option of helmets or caps, and also there are these display bases for the soldiers on foot. Very nice. We've got this packet here with the photo etch. I think the decals are in here as well. As you can see here, this has got the photo etch. It's got a couple of grills for the vehicle, and then the decals here that really aren't many at all. In fact, they are just the dials. So there we have it. I'll be making this very soon, and there will be a review on the Jadlam website as well. Please do like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.